What do I do to ignore them behind me? Do I follow my instincts blindly? Do I hide my pride from these bad dreams and give in to sad thoughts that I'm maddening? Do I sit here and try to stand it? Or do I try to catch them red-handed? Do I trust someone, get fooled by phoniness? Or do I trust nobody and live in loneliness? Because I can't hold on when I'm stretched so thin. I make the right moves but I'm lost within. I put on my daily facade but then I just end up getting hurt again by myself. I ask why I can't rely on myself. I ask why I can't rely on myself. I can't look around, it's too much to take. I can't hold back, stress so thin. I can't slow down, watching everything change. I can't look back, something I can't. If I turn my back, I'm defenseless, and to go blindly seems senseless. If I hide my pride and let it all go on, then they'll take from me till everything is gone. If I let them go, I'll be outdone. But if I try to catch them, I'll be outrun. If I'm filled by the questions like a cancer, then I'll be buried in the sun until the answer from myself. I ask why I can't rely on myself. I ask why I can't rely on myself. I can't look around, it's too much to take. I can't hold back, stress so thin. I can't slow down, watching everything change. I can't look back, something I can't.